What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this short, brief video, I'm going to answer one of your questions, the ones that y'all have been asking me, and that is, how do I deal with drips? Okay, and we're going to get right into it. If you guys see, we got my table here is all sanded down. We've just done a seal coat. I also rounded over the edges so the epoxy can roll over the edge. Okay, what we were doing, we were sealing the bow ties, getting those all sealed up so we don't get bubbles. Same thing on this side. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous video where I finished the bottom of this table, I want you to go right here, click this card, and go watch that video first. That way you can see what I'm talking about. But check this out. If you look at the bottom of the table, I put tape all along this beveled edge. Here we go. You can see there's a bevel right here, and then I have tape right along the edge. Okay, if you see here, we've got some drips right here. Now what you're looking for is for the epoxy to be tacky like this, like stringy. Can you see that? Okay. Once it's stringy, like syrup, like really thick syrup or like honey, you're ready to peel the tape. You know it's no longer going to drip anymore. And this is what you do. Okay? Take your tape, and we're going to peel it right off. Okay? Right. Now once you peel the tape off, look at that. We got a super clean, I don't know if you guys can see that, we got a super clean line right where those drips are. Okay? Hopefully that answers that question. What I'm going to do is I am going to retape that spot right there so that we can continue our flood coat. Now with our flood coat, we're going to do the same exact thing. If you guys have watched any of my other videos, when we do a flood coat finish, I'm going to put some more tape on the bottom. We're going to flood coat it so it rolls over the edge. Remember, we radiused the edge here so that I can roll over, and also it's going to roll under. It's going to roll under right onto that tape, and then we're going to wait for a day or two until it gets real sticky. Now, it depends on temperature and what epoxy you're using to determine how long it's going to take for you to peel that tape off. So this is why I always say, get some gloves. Don't do it barehanded like me. Touch the epoxy, see if it's real stringy, like thick honey, and then you can peel your tape off. It'll leave a clean, crisp line so that you won't have to go back and try to sand all those things off. All right? Pro tip, go get it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this short, brief video. If you want some more quick tips like this throughout the week, go ahead, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Also, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button for me, do all the things, and I will catch you on the next one. Guys, thanks for watching. If you want some more tutorials, we have tons of them on this channel. Also, you can go over to my website, goodviewwoodworks.com. You can find all the pigments that I used on this table there. We also have some merch over there. Go get yourself a t-shirt and hat and whatever. And as always, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out with us.